back to Play CCN, which is brought to you by Temperzone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi. The federal government has introduced apprenticeship targets under the Australian Skills Guarantee. Now, this means a minimum of 10% of all labour hours on major Commonwealth-funded construction projects will be undertaken by apprentices and trainees. The targets will help the government double the proportion of women in apprenticeships. The HVAC&R industry is also working hard to get more young people interested in refrigeration and air conditioning. Industry has come together again this year to host a trades expo for high school students. Now, this is for students that are interested in a trade. The expo will take place on August 14 and will promote refrigeration and air conditioning, electrical trades and metal fabrication. Over 250 students are expected to attend the expo, which will be held in Bankstown, Sydney. Now, the Australian Renewable Energy Agency is funding studies to help businesses incorporate renewable energy solutions into their business. ARENA has made available $1.98 million in grants to 10 businesses that are looking to deploy renewable solutions. For example, Paper Australia has received $110,000 to investigate a deep bore geothermal heating system at its Barramundi farm in Victoria. Real Pet Food received more than $250,000 to consider a heat energy recovery system at its manufacturing sites in Queensland and New South Wales. The feasibility studies will be made available to industry as a resource. Now, the federal government has introduced a new award to recognise ARCtick licensed businesses that are compliant at first audit, known as the Environmental Stewardship Excellence Award. It has been created for refrigerant trading authorisation holders. For details, go to the Australian Refrigeration Council website. Now, finally, Danfoss reported a 10% increase in earnings this week and a 49% increase in cash flow. In addition to reporting positive financial results, Danfoss launched 3 new compressors for heat pumps. The lineup includes a box CO2 6-cylinder semi-hermetic reciprocating compressor for large industrial heat pumps, scroll compressors for reversible rooftop units, and inverter scroll compressors for light commercial heat pumps. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.